Welcome to our video, where I will show you the unbelievable benefits of peanut water. Let's get into it, shall we? Groundnut, also known as the peanut, is not just good because it tastes good in any form. The nuts are extremely good for human health, due to their rich content of protein, healthy fat oil, as well as other nutrients that will be seen as contained in this article. It is a leguminous food crop that is full of nutrition, and not just that. It adds value to human health and lifestyle in any form, whether in a raw form, cooked, roasted, or otherwise. Some of the science-based health benefits of groundnut are an improvement of the heart and brain health, body tissue repairs, reducing the risk of cancer, improves skin health, and more, as discussed below. Number 1. Essential for heart and brain health. Groundnut, mainly the oil, contains fatty acids, which help to increase the high-density lipoprotein in the monounsaturated in the body, known as the good cholesterol. And this is so because the fatty acid it contains is monounsaturated, thereby improving the general health conditions of the heart and brain. Again, copper, which is a dietary mineral, is the presence in groundnut, which can prevent the body from coronary heart disease, as well as thiamine, vitamin B1, an important micronutrient that helps to protect human health from cardiac failure. It has been scientifically proven that a deficiency of thiamine in the human body leads to congestive heart failure. Therefore, taking good quantities of groundnut per day supplies this vitamin, which plays a vital role in the normal functioning of the heart. Number 2. Repairs the body tissues. Just like other leguminous crops, groundnut is a very good source of protein, which helps to repair and build body tissues. It contains a good amount of phosphorus that the human body needs to make proteins necessary for the maintenance of bodily functions, growth, and repairs of certain tissues and cells. Research has also shown that groundnut contains more grams of protein than other nuts. According to this research, 480 grains serving of peanut, which is equivalent to 1 ounce, contains 8 grams of protein. This protein in the groundnut has high digestibility, which is comparable to that of soy protein, and serves a good building block for the bones, tissues, blood, muscles, and cells. It is important to note that a peanut butter sandwich with 3 glasses of milk provides the body with 22 grams of protein, which is almost the quantity of protein required for an average person per day. Number 3. Lower the risk of cancer. Groundnut is one of the food crops that have antioxidants in the form of polyphenol and resveratrol, which helps to protect the body from diseases such as cancer, heart-related disease, etc., as it boosts the body's immune system by removing chemicals in the body that can cause or worsen such health conditions. Peanut is a good source of omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E, fiber, and other essential nutrients, and helps to lower the risk of contracting certain types of cancers. According to Medical News Today, studies conducted by Professor Pete Vandenbrandt show that consumption of 15 grams of groundnuts every day can reduce the risk of a blood clot and other numbers of diseases, such as cancer, diabetes, and respiratory disease. Number 4. Improves skin health. The vitamins contained in the groundnut serve an anti-aging property, as it gives the skin a new and better look by protecting it from skin conditions, such as dryness, wrinkles, and scaling. There are other important nutrients in peanuts, such as phytochemicals, vitamins, minerals, and monounsaturated fats, that help to keep the skin porous and glowing all the time by flushing out excess oil and toxins from the skin. The presence of antioxidants in peanuts, such as vitamin C and E, helps to reduce some anti-aging effects, which include dark spots, wrinkles, pimples, etc. Generally, on skin health, moderate consumption of groundnut helps to keep the skin ever young and smooth, due to the presence of anti-aging phytochemicals called resveratrol, as well as vitamin C, which helps to rebuild the collagen. Number 5. Oxidative stress protection. Peanuts have quality content of important compounds that are antioxidants rich and help to protect the body from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the human body, which is prone to negative effects. These antioxidants help to prevent the occurrence of certain diseases in the body, and certainly stop the activities of oxidation of other molecules in the body. Number 6. Build strong bones. Therefore, the presence of certain minerals in groundnut, such as potassium, zinc, calcium, sodium, as well as magnesium and phosphorus, which altogether helps the body to stay healthy, and in building strong bones. On the other hand, these minerals protect the body from some of the mineral deficiencies which can cause some complications to human health when left untreated. Number 7. Good for pregnant women. You may also have or haven't heard that the groundnut is a good food choice for pregnant women. How? Okay. Peanut contains protein and folate. Folic acid is an essential supplement required for every pregnant woman to avoid birth defects and to contribute to the proper development of the brain and spine. No matter the type of diet a pregnant woman sticks to, she must be required to consume a good quality of folic acid through the conception period. Fried peanut, roasted or cooked, can be eaten by pregnant women. Nutritional values of groundnuts. Groundnuts have a lot of health benefits, both in its whole forms and when it's been processed into other products. It primarily contains nutrients, minerals and vitamins, such as thiamine, vitamin B3, niacin, vitamin E, copper, phosphorus, biotin, magnesium, manganese, folate, etc. Groundnut is good for a weight loss diet, for the reasons stated above, adding to the fact that it is rich in fiber and protein, which can sustain hunger for a long time. Roasted or fried, groundnut is a very good staple snack that is safe for both adults and children. Just as nuts such as almonds and roasted cashew nuts, peanut in its roasted form is healthy for every human category. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.